Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove audio from a video in PowerPoint, a quick trick that helps you make your presentations cleaner and more professional. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the slide that contains the video you want to edit. Next, click on the video to select it. When the video is selected, you'll see two new tabs appear at the top of the ribbon, Video Format and Playback. Now, go to the Playback tab. Here, you'll find all the controls for your video's playback settings. Look for the volume button in the Video Options group. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Mute. That's it. The audio from your video is now turned off. If you prefer, you can also extract or replace the audio by editing the video in another application before inserting it into PowerPoint, but for most cases, muting it directly in PowerPoint works perfectly. Once you're done, save your presentation by pressing Ctrl+S or Command+S on Mac to make sure your changes are saved. And there you have it. That's how you remove or mute the audio from a video in PowerPoint. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.